Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to a racing event made by Planet FPV. It's about 2 hours driving for me. I practiced about 2-3 batteries the last 4 days. So I'm still not feeling confident with my quads. But let's see what happens.
Pull Ricky Wayne the mixtape. You feel me? Yeah. First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche. I don't wanna hit that ass, don't sit like a horse. I be ballin' on these niggas, got me feeling like sports. Yeah, it's got so much wood, I could build me a fort. Ain't too many things I ain't done yet. I'm the king of this shit, ground by the toilet. I'm just barely getting started, you already upset. Got a tiger as a pet, I just took him to the vet. Homie, I remember, First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche on. Sipping lean and now later, homie, I'll annihilate you. If you think you wanna battle, you gon' have to pay some paper. I just hit her and I quit her, I would never ever date her. It's the same how I'm barely getting love in the city. Travel to another town, you can bet the fucking with me. I be killing this shit, pray to God they forgive me. They say when you blow up, don't forgive me. Let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche on.